If you're looking for the best reseller hosting, this video will show you the top reseller hosting providers available right now and which one is best depending on your needs. Reseller hosting is perfect if you want to start your own web hosting business, offer hosting services to your web design clients, manage multiple websites under one account, or generate recurring monthly income by selling hosting. In this video, I'll show you the best reseller hosting providers based on performance and speed, pricing and value, features and scalability, white label branding, customer support. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which reseller hosting provider is best for your situation, and if you decide to sign up with any of the providers I mentioned, I place exclusive discount links in the description below so you can get the lowest pricing available. Quick disclosure, those links are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into the providers, let's quickly explain what reseller hosting actually is. Reseller hosting allows you to buy hosting resources from a hosting company and resell them to your own customers under your own brand. This means you can create hosting accounts for clients, set your own pricing, manage websites through WHM and cPanel, use white label branding so your customers never see the parent hosting company. Most reseller hosting plans also include WHM control panel, cPanel accounts for your customers, white label hosting, billing integrations like WHMCS, website migration tools, security features and backups. Now let's take a look at the best reseller hosting providers available today. First up is InMotion Hosting, which is one of the best reseller hosting providers if you're looking to start your own hosting business or sell hosting to clients. InMotion is specifically built for reseller hosting, which means you get all the tools you need to manage and grow your own hosting business. With InMotion reseller hosting, you get WHM control panel for managing hosting accounts, cPanel accounts for your clients, white label hosting so you can brand everything as your own, free SSL certificates, SSD or NVMe SSD storage depending on the plan you choose, fast performance, free website migrations, built-in security features, and backups. One of the biggest advantages of InMotion is how easy it is to create and manage client hosting accounts even if you're just getting started. It also integrates with billing platforms like WHMCS so you can automate your hosting business and start generating recurring revenue. Performance is very solid, uptime is reliable, and their support is available 24/7 if you ever need help. And if you use the InMotion hosting link in the description below, you can get discounted pricing to help you get started at a lower cost. Next is SiteGround, which is known for having some of the best performance and customer support in the hosting industry. SiteGround reseller hosting is built on Google Cloud infrastructure, which gives it extremely strong reliability and uptime. With SiteGround reseller hosting, you get Google Cloud hosting infrastructure, ultra-fast SSD storage, free CDN integration, automatic daily backups, advanced security protection, managed WordPress tools. One of the biggest advantages of SiteGround is its customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat and ticket support with very fast response times. SiteGround is ideal if you want to offer premium hosting services to your clients and focus on performance and reliability. Next is Hosting.com, which is well known for offering very fast servers optimized for performance. Hosting.com reseller plans include high-performance optimized servers for fast page loading, NVMe SSD storage, free SSL certificates, white label hosting, WHM and cPanel access, developer-friendly tools. Hosting.com also supports multiple PHP versions and advanced developer tools, which makes it a great option if you work with developers or advanced WordPress sites. Their hosting infrastructure is optimized for high performance, helping websites load quickly and handle traffic efficiently. Next is HostGator, which is one of the most beginner-friendly reseller hosting providers available. HostGator has been around for a long time and is well known for offering reliable hosting with simple setup, making it a great option if you're just getting started with reseller hosting. With HostGator reseller hosting, you get WHM control panel for managing hosting accounts, cPanel accounts for your clients, white label hosting so you can brand everything as your own, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificates, built-in billing system support with WHMCS, 24/7 customer support. One of the biggest advantages of HostGator is how easy it is to create and manage client hosting accounts even if you have no prior experience. The interface is straightforward and the setup process is simple, which makes it a great option for web designers, freelancers, or anyone looking to start selling hosting to clients. Performance is solid for most websites, and their support team is available 24/7 if you ever need help. And if you use the HostGator link in the description below, you can get discounted pricing to help you get started at lower cost. If your goal is to start a full hosting business, another provider worth considering is ResellerClub. ResellerClub focuses specifically on reseller hosting services. Their platform includes white label hosting, WHMCS billing integration, domain reseller programs, multiple hosting packages, custom pricing control. This allows you to create your own fully branded hosting company and sell hosting, domains, and other services to customers. Here are a few important things to look for when choosing reseller hosting. Performance. Fast servers help ensure your clients' websites load quickly and perform well. White label branding. This allows you to brand the hosting service as your own company. Scalability. Choose a provider that allows you to upgrade resources as your client base grows. Customer support. Reliable support is extremely important if your clients experience technical issues. Pricing and profit margins. Look for plans that give you enough resources to sell hosting at a profitable margin. If I had to choose the best reseller hosting overall, here's what I would recommend. Best overall reseller hosting, InMotion hosting. Best performance, SiteGround. Best speed, hosting.com. Best for beginners, HostGator. Best for starting a hosting company, ResellerClub. Each of these providers offers reliable infrastructure and tools that make it easy to manage hosting clients. Reseller hosting is one of the easiest ways to start a recurring online business. Whether you're a web designer, developer, or entrepreneur, reseller hosting allows you to sell hosting services while building long-term monthly revenue. If you'd like to get started, check out the exclusive reseller hosting discounts in the description below to get the best pricing available. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more hosting reviews, website tutorials, and online business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.